Hello everybody, welcome back to Channel ANZ Machinery, how workers paved a sidewalk with millions of bricks. Sidewalks are essential urban features, but some stand out for their craftsmanship and aesthetic appeal. One such example is a stunning pathway created with millions of hexagonal bricks, a labor-intensive process that blends functionality and artistry. The hexagonal bricks used for the sidewalk are not just ordinary building materials, they're precast concrete pieces specifically designed for durability and precision. Unlike rectangular bricks, hexagonal ones interlock more tightly, forming a stable and visually striking pattern. Each brick is meticulously cast, ensuring consistent size and shape, which is crucial for seamless alignment. Placing hexagonal bricks requires patience and skill. Workers lay them piece by piece, fitting them snugly like pieces of a giant jigsaw puzzle. This method not only ensures the path's structural integrity, but also creates a mesmerizing honeycomb design that enhances the sidewalk's aesthetic appeal. To maintain the alignment and stability, workers frequently check their progress using tools like straight edges and levels. As the bricks are laid, gaps between them are filled with fine sand, which is swept into the joints and compacted. This locks the bricks into place and prevents them from shifting over time. The result is more than just a sidewalk, it's a work of art. The hexagonal brick pattern is not only pleasing to the eye, but also exceptionally durable, capable of withstanding heavy foot traffic and the elements. This brick-laid sidewalk exemplifies how traditional techniques, combined with modern materials, can transform an everyday feature into a masterpiece of urban design. It's a testament to the dedication and craftsmanship of workers who bring such projects to life. The revolutionary paver laying machine, a cutting-edge solution for seamless road construction. This brick road laying machine combines efficiency, precision, and advanced technology to deliver smooth, durable brick pavements in record time. Designed for high productivity, this machine automates the traditionally labor-intensive process, reducing costs and improving quality. Its robust design and user-friendly interface make it perfect for large-scale projects. The high-tech paver ensures uniform brick placement, enhancing the durability and aesthetic appeal of roads and walkways. Upgrade your construction game with this innovative machine that saves time, energy, and resources while delivering exceptional results every time. Paving perfection. How workers laid millions of bricks with precision. The process begins with the Optima's Maxi Screed, which prepares the base layer with unparalleled precision. This machine ensures an even, stable foundation critical for long-lasting results. Next, the Optima's H88, a highly efficient paver, places bricks systematically, significantly reducing manual labor while enhancing accuracy and speed. This combination allows crews to lay expansive areas of paving in a fraction of the time traditional methods would require. Crafting a flawless brick sidewalk requires skill, precision, and innovative technology, and workers at Hadnagy Viacolor have mastered the art using cutting-edge equipment like the Optima's H88 and Optima's Maxi Screed. These machines, heralded as the most advanced paving tools in the world, enable the seamless installation of millions of bricks with millimeter accuracy, transforming construction sites into showcases of modern engineering. The technology doesn't just save time, it elevates quality. Every brick is positioned with meticulous precision, creating perfectly aligned sidewalks that enhance both aesthetics and durability. These machines also promote sustainability by minimizing material waste and energy consumption. The process of building a 24-meter-wide asphalt road, creating a high-quality 24-meter-wide asphalt road involves precision, advanced machinery, and a methodical approach. The process begins with preparing the foundation, ensuring a stable base for durability and strength. The first step involves spreading a layer of crushed stone, forming the subbase. This layer is meticulously applied using a stone layer spreader, a machine designed to evenly distribute the material. The spreader ensures a consistent thickness, reducing the risk of weak spots and providing a solid foundation for the road. Once the subbase is compacted and leveled, the next phase involves laying the asphalt. The asphalt, a mix of bitumen and aggregates, is heated to high temperatures and delivered to the site. A specialized asphalt layer spreader is used to distribute the mixture uniformly across the road's width. This state-of-the-art equipment ensures precision and seamless layering, essential for achieving a smooth, even surface. Each layer of asphalt is compacted with heavy rollers to enhance strength and eliminate air pockets. Advanced techniques allow the seamless integration of layers, resulting in a resilient and durable road. By combining efficient machinery like stone and asphalt layer spreaders with skilled engineering, a robust 24-meter-wide asphalt road is created, ready to support heavy traffic and withstand harsh conditions for years to come. Repairing wide cracks in asphalt pavement requires precision, durability, and adaptability. One of the most effective solutions is Maxwell Products Gap Mastic, specially designed for areas subject to significant movement. This highly flexible and versatile material is engineered to handle challenging pavement distresses such as fatigue cracking, commonly known as alligator cracking, surface depressions, and deteriorated areas around concrete structures. Next, gap mastic is applied, filling the wide crack and creating a seamless bond with the surrounding asphalt. Its flexibility allows it to move with the pavement, preventing future damage and extending the repair's lifespan. Unlike traditional crack sealants, gap mastic is designed for larger-scale repairs, offering long-term solutions that restore both functionality and appearance. Chip fill is a groundbreaking solution for efficient pothole and crack repairs. Designed specifically for smaller holes, around 15 to 20 centimeters in diameter. This innovative thermoplastic material ensures long-lasting results by minimizing the risk of defects spreading or worsening over time. Unlike traditional cold-applied repair methods, chip fill is a hot-applied thermoplastic that provides superior bonding to the underlying asphalt. When heated, the binders in the thermoplastic actively fuse with the bitumen in the existing road surface, creating a seamless, durable patch. This enhanced adhesion helps the repaired area resist wear and tear, offering a more reliable solution for maintaining road integrity. Chip fill not only accelerates the repair process but also ensures that potholes and cracks are effectively sealed, preventing further damage and costly repairs. Ideal for high-traffic areas, it provides a fast, cost-effective way to keep roads in top condition, improving safety and reducing the need for frequent maintenance. With chip fill, roads stay stronger and more resilient, enhancing both road longevity and user satisfaction.